Break away from chicken marsala, creative. There is a lot more stuff out there for you to do as an outlet for who you are as an artist. Hello, creatives. I'm working on a cold, so today's message will be short, but I think you might find it helpful. If you were to be working on a recipe, I don't know, chicken marsala, something like that, and you worked on it so that every single day, this was the one thing that you cooked over and over and over again for every meal. When you cooked, it is chicken marsala. After like a year or something, you'd be really good at chicken marsala, but I'm pretty sure that at that point, the thought of chicken marsala would make you explode. Your creations are very much the same way. Our tendency is to want to finish a thing completely before we move on to something else. We think that's how it works. It's not how it works. It is healthiest for you to have more than one creative project going, and it doesn't have to be in the same medium. For example, I love to mess around with website design. I love to mess around with graphic design. These are things that almost never see the light of day, and they have absolutely nothing to do with my writing most of the time, but I really enjoy doing them, and they are completely separate from the writing. I also have more than one story going. This is important. If you have one meal that you are working on for years and you do not have variety, you're gonna hate it. It is okay to put that thing aside for a little while because your creation is not actually food. It will not rot. It will not get stale. In fact, while it's sitting and waiting and you do something else for your mental health, it's actually going to get better. When you return to it, you will have a better understanding of what it needs to get done. It is essential to have more than one thing going. And don't tell me I don't have any other ideas, because that prompts trick works here. Bring up your browser, type in your art medium prompts, sculpting prompts, songwriting prompts, drawing prompts. It does not matter if it's not your idea. The point is that you are varying your diet so you don't get sick of what you're eating. So if you have your one project and it's not finished yet and you've been working on it for a while, take a break. It's okay. It's not going anywhere. You will lose nothing. You're going to understand it much better and you will be able to enjoy it again. Break away from chicken marsala, creative. There is a lot more stuff out there for you to do as an outlet for who you are as an artist. And it will make that project taste all the better. Have you made anything today? Take some time, give yourself permission to make it tiny and make it messy. And together, let's make something new.